expecting you on my video, right?
No. So this is what I boil water with. It's $50 on Amazon.
All right.
And I just,
And you just use 12 volts?
12 volts. It's about 140 watts.
Okay.
And
140 watts. Oh, okay. But with
I have the 300.
yeah, that's it. I have a 240 on this.
Yeah. So it would work with yours. But anyways, right from bed, I can boil water. And then back here is my Jackery, the 1000. So
All
then I have my
right.
refrigerator.
Under it. It's a good setup.
Yeah. So right from my bed, here's the Jackery. It's kind of hard to see it, but it's over on the side. I had to put a shelf here because the other shelf almost started falling over.
So you built this one yourself?
This was in my house. All of this is furniture from my house. So it's just
So you
a
just
shelf.
transferred it there.
Yeah, so this I have my food, my snacks, food, and then the Jackery, and I put my clothes. I use packing cubes, so my clothes are in packing cubes.
And that's the big Jackery. Okay.
Yeah,
Right.
but I had to put this here because when you go on these roads,
Yeah,
the shelf would almost fall over. So,
And then your bed is on this side.
yeah, and I just sleep on my side and curl up in a ball, so I can stretch out my legs if I want to here.
Oh,
And then
cool.
the fridge, everything I can do from inside, so I can
all
open
right.
it up here.
So it opens this way.
Yep.
All right. You get a lot of food.
Yep. So I have a
So you are like 5'7", 5'8",
5'7".
5'7".
Yeah.
Okay, so same as me.
Yeah.
So you can stretch out,
I can
right?
stretch out, yeah.
Because you got bigger SUV than mine.
Yeah, it's
So-
a little bit, probably what, a foot or two maybe?
Okay.
And then I love these. These are hotlogic minis.
Oh yeah, I saw that one of your posts on Facebook.
Yeah, so like the lean cuisines, those kind of meals I put in here.
Okay.
And then I have the cigarette lighter, the 12 volt, plug
Okay.
that in the Jackery. And then while I'm driving, I don't like to cook.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, I have no choice, so I just.
yeah, so I can
Alright.
like that.
Cool.
Yeah.
And everything's organized, so neat. If you've seen mine, it's like a disaster area.
It took time. I mean, at first it was all over the place. It was just a mess. And then, I don't know if you have these, the backseat organizers.
Oh yeah, I
Those are
have.
really nice.
I have a smaller one. That one that has a
Okay.
folding thing on.
And then I put it back here too. Stuff I don't get to all the time.
Oh, you have another one. Okay.
Yeah. And then I have a hanging one. This is like first aid stuff.
Okay. Okay.
You know.
That's so cool. Very organized.
I try to be. And then I have the front seat organizer here too for my map
Oh, okay.
and water.
I put my refrigerator here. That's
Oh,
why
your
I don't have any
refrigerator, yeah.
space there. So, but you got a lot of
Yeah.
space
then
and storage. So.
snacks, and then I have 3 of these. So
So
it's a
you
good
won't
sa-
get hungry.
I won't get hungry, and I could just, there's a good sale, $15 each, so I got 2
Wow.
of them. So my chair,
And then you
down
got
here
your
I keep water,
Water.
and my shoes, you know, try to keep it clean.
Wow.
So,
So that's your setup.
yeah.
So I'm here with Tina.
Hi.
So we just met today. We met on the YouTube and she watched most of my videos. But today we were supposed to meet last night, and then she drove straight.
I drove by you.
Because she came in late already. It was dark, so I said, oh, maybe she's already tired. So nice to meet you, Tina.
Nice to meet you too.
So it's good you went through a lot of stuff because you went through. Which part of California are you?
I've been like San Francisco, that
San
area.
Francisco, okay.
So I drove through 88 to get here,
88.
which is a really nice drive. It's really pretty.
Oh, all right.
Through Jackson, and then up to Carson City, and then that's when I got on Highway 50. You
Okay.
know, the loneliest highway.
Yeah, that's what I read on your Facebook post, and While I was driving, I always say, oh, maybe this is the loneliest road. This
It
could be a
is. Once
contender.
you get past Fallon, there's not many cars, but I think it's a pretty drive. There's lots of mountains. There's lots of different things to see. The Pony Express.
And there's like winding roads.
Yeah, I like it. That's fine. I hope people don't take it.
and also I tried to go to the Four Corners
Oh yeah.
monument because I thought, oh, maybe I might not come back here. But when I got there, it was closed.
Oh, no.
Yeah, I was like, what? There's a lot of people who were going there, and then they were all like making U-turns. So I went there, I made a U-turn. So I said, oh, I'm gonna put it on my video. Maybe it's just a 1-minute video.
Yeah, that's too bad. I mean, it's outdoors. It should be open, you know. So
then I passed by the Great Basin.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, oh, so this is where we're going. And then since my GPS is telling me to go like another
way over that way.
2 hours away, I was like, what? Are we gonna be camping like very far?
Right.
But actually, this is very close.
Yeah, it's very close, 20 miles away, and so yeah, not a bad location.
And then that's where we're heading today.
Yeah, we'll go there today and check it out. I've been there before, but I did like a short hike because usually I'm on my way somewhere. I didn't have time to really check it out. But I think parts of it, I don't know if they're opened yet because of the snow, you know, the elevation. But yeah, we'll go there today and check it out and see. There's caves there. I don't know that you can go in the caves, so. But there's caves, and then, you know, the old trees you can look at and stuff like that. So,
yeah, we can do that one. So we're going there soon, or so I need to
you can have breakfast.
I already ate, so
oh, you did.
I was up early. So.
Oh, okay.
So
yeah, whatever. I mean, we're not in a rush, you know. Whatever you're.
So
ready.
I was like, if you're hungry, I can just. It's very fast to cook. Just go and. So
yeah, that's nice. You got the case for it and everything, so that's cool.
And one of my tanks is already empty, so I got another one. I have like I carry like 3 tanks because last time.
Well, that's good to have extra.
Yeah, last time when we ran out of tanks, you know, you cannot buy it anywhere, and then suddenly I found like a 4-pack instead of the 2-packs. I'll take the 4-pack, and then I still have 2 full ones plus the 3rd one. The 4th one is already gone, so.
Oh, good. And you have a storage box. How do you like your storage box?
I like it a lot, except that when I lock it again, it's hard to lock it. That's why I don't really try to reorganize it. So now, if you want to look at my setup, it's you could see.
Yeah, I'd like to get maybe one for mine. I mean, I'm okay, but
except that it dropped my miles per gallon for like 5 miles per gallon.
Oh,
so I used to get like 29 on the highway, 27, 29. Now I'm getting only 24, 23.
Yeah.
So
yeah, another lady, she's in a Prius. She has one of those.
So I sleep on the passenger side.
Okay.
And then if you can see, everything is like it's already
well, again, you're full time. I'm not, you know, so that makes a difference.
And my refrigerator is on this side, so it's.
Oh yeah.
I just put a cover because reflectics.
That's good.
And
I like your screens, huh?
Yeah, I just made it by hand. So just before I started full time, I started making them.
Yeah.
And then this one is on this side, and then the other side I just made it where you can it's just the lace that that I just sew it, and then it just goes over the so
yeah, I have some wind socks like that, and I like them. In the summer I leave them on all the time, and
yeah, it's finer mesh, so you don't get those no seams. Yeah,
well, that's good.
So that's and then I thought I lost my mud guard because I went through that. It was so deep that the tracks where maybe ATVs went through there. I was like, man, if she's gonna come here, she's gonna be mad at picking up this area. But I was like, it was just my wrong way. So at least I'll have another video for that.
Right. Yeah, I went down this one road. There's some earthquake faults I wanted to go see, and it was kind of a steep road going up. But then when I got off to the side, I mean, I didn't think my car isn't full four-wheel drive or
Oh,
all-wheel
okay.
drive. I made it, but anyways, I was like, oh no, I'm not gonna be able to get up here. So
Yeah.
yeah.
But at least I was like, well, I got
Well,
all-wheel
that's
drive,
good.
and maybe I won't get stuck. But I was
Right.
worried because I don't know if that's the correct area, because it's like a prison area.
Oh.
So on one part of the road it says no tobacco allowed.
Yeah.
It's like what? Oh my God. And then I just kept driving because it just kept telling me to go, so I got all this stuff.
Wow. That's like mine. I mean, it's covered in stuff, you
Yeah.
know? Yeah.
But at least yours got like 29 miles per gallon, right?
I do so good with this. I've gotten the highest 39 miles
39.
per gallon.
Wow.
Average
And
around
this
maybe.
is V6, right?
It's a V6.
So what's the Hyundai
A Santa Fe.
Santa Fe?
It's
Okay.
a 2017. But usually I just drive the speed limit or slower. You know, I'm not in
Yeah.
a hurry.
Yeah, me
And
too.
get behind the truckers, you know, and then when you go down a hill, take your foot off the gas. So it does really good. I mean, for a good big sized car,
Yeah.
you
And
know, on the
it's
open
V6?
V6.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
With that mileage, that's really
Yeah, so
really
that's
good.
really good. On
And
the
I got
open
only a
road.
4-cylinder. Because of this one, it acts like a sail.
Yeah.
So it's the
That's why I like to get one, but I like my, you know, my gas mileage. So
Plus, if you're not living full time,
I don't really need it.
Yeah,
you
you
know,
don't
usually I
need
go a week or 10 days at a time.
Ah, that's
I
a
think
lot.
the most I've done is 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Okay.
You know, the main thing is just water. You know,
Yeah,
it's a
it
little
was-
bit harder to get water now. You know, but before you could get water anywhere. So, or if I'm gonna take a shower, I need extra
Yeah.
water for my hair.
Yeah.
You know, but
So I buy only those bottled water
yeah,
because it's the same price as getting those gallon ones.
right.
And it's more convenient, but it
Yeah.
create a lot of
Yeah.
trash. So, but you
Yeah.
know, there's really no other way to go about it.
Yeah.
And then that's my pump for I used to.
Oh, for taking a shower
Yeah.
and stuff. Yeah, I've seen
But
those.
it's not gonna work when the weather is cold because
Yeah.
you know I don't have that little tent where.
Oh, you don't have
Yeah, I
one,
don't
huh?
have one.
I have one, but it's big.
It's big.
So
Wow.
I didn't bring it this time. I figured there's going to be bathrooms at
Yeah,
different
yeah,
places
yeah.
and stuff. It's just, it's so big, you know, and then
Okay.
if it's windy, I got to tie it to my car so it doesn't
Oh,
blow
okay.
away. So
Yeah.
it's kind of a hassle.
Yeah, I also have that. Maybe you saw it in one of my videos. I have the tarp tent.
Oh, yeah.
I haven't set it up since I
Yeah,
left
yeah.
Colorado because it's better if I can find like a picnic table with
Yeah.
cover. And if you're in the forest, you don't really need
You
it.
don't need, yeah.
Like here, probably you don't need it.
yeah. Just put on shorts.
Yeah. That's why I was always in shorts. I'm so casual.
Although I was in Flagstaff, I was
Yeah.
camping there and I wanted to wash my hair.
Okay.
So I was gonna get ready to do it. I'm out in the middle of nowhere. This guy shows up, and I was like, "Oh, good thing I wasn't washing my hair."
But at least you're not taking a shower.
I know, you know, but it was just like,
Like washing the
okay.
hair. Washing the hair is fine.
I know, good spot. I guess that's for the tent then, huh? The tent space.
Yeah, I thought, yeah, maybe that's for the tent. I'm not really sure. I thought that was for like horses or something.
Yeah.
No,
Oh, cool.
no, this is a good place. There's a pond in the middle.
Oh, neat.
I look at the toilet. It's not very. It's. You know, it's very.
Yeah.
Looks like it's full. Nobody.
Oh no. Yeah, the one up there wasn't too bad.
Oh, okay.
so.
Because it's proud. Because a lot of motorists they just stop by here
They
to use
just
it.
stopped
So
here.
it's
to
like a
use
rest
it.
area for
Yeah.
people. But it's
But
okay.
no, really nice and quiet.
And last night you would think with the highway there's not much noise.
Yeah.
So I was able to sleep very well. So we're gonna go now to the next part.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So now you met Tina.
Bye.
Bye bye. We're preparing our lunch. I already cooked mine. I almost finished. And Tina is cooking using the hotlogic mini and using the battery. And she has better lunch than mine.
It just takes longer.
Yeah. Mine is just ham, egg, and cheese sandwich. And this is a Jackery 300.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Mine is 240. I don't know why they keep changing, putting more.
I like
Products
this
in
one
between.
because it had the
Yeah, the
two
two
outlets.
yeah.
Yeah, and it's light. I mean, very.
Yeah, it's almost the same. It's probably added a few more batteries inside.
Yeah.
Capacity. But it's good. This morning or last night I camped on that side. Somebody's there now. Someone met, so we stop here. Eat our lunch, but I already started eating mine.